Hey there, future doctors! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of vitamins and minerals. These tiny nutrients are absolutely essential for life, and understanding them is crucial for your journey in medicine. Think of your body as a complex machine with all sorts of intricate processes happening every second. Vitamins and minerals are like the spark plugs and oil that keep everything running smoothly. Without them, things start to break down, and that's when health problems arise. As medical students, you'll encounter patients with a wide range of conditions, and many of these can be linked to vitamin and mineral deficiencies. From fatigue and weakness to more serious issues like anemia and bone disorders, these tiny nutrients play a huge role in our overall health. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the amazing world of vitamins and minerals. We'll cover everything from their different types and functions to the importance of a balanced diet. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of these essential nutrients and their impact on human health. Okay, let's start with the basics. What exactly are vitamins and minerals, and what makes them different? In simple terms, vitamins are organic compounds that our bodies need in small amounts to function properly. They're like the special ingredients that help our cells do their jobs. Minerals, on the other hand, are inorganic elements that come from the earth. We get them from the food we eat, and they play a vital role in various bodily functions. Think of them as the building blocks for strong bones, teeth, and even our blood. Now here's the key difference. Our bodies can't produce most vitamins and minerals on their own. That means we need to get them from external sources, primarily through a balanced and nutritious diet. Vitamins and minerals work together in countless ways to keep us healthy. They help us convert food into energy, boost our immune system, repair damaged cells, and so much more. It's like a complex orchestra, with each nutrient playing its part to create a harmonious symphony of health. Now, let's meet the vitamin crew. First up, we have the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are like the cool kids who hang out in fatty tissues and the liver. They're not easily flushed out of our system, which is good, but it also means we need to be careful not to overdo it. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. Think carrots and sweet potatoes for a boost of this powerful antioxidant. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. We can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that protects our cells from damage. It's found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. And finally, vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting, ensuring that we don't bleed excessively from cuts and wounds. Leafy green vegetables are a great source of this essential vitamin. Next up, we have the water-soluble vitamins, which include the B-complex vitamins and vitamin C. These vitamins are like the social butterflies of the nutrient world, easily dissolving in water and traveling throughout our bodies. The B-complex vitamins are a group of 8 essential nutrients that work together to support various bodily functions. They're involved in energy production, cell metabolism, nerve function, and even DNA synthesis. Think whole grains, leafy greens, and lean meats for a B vitamin boost. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage, boosts our immune system, and aids in collagen production for healthy skin, tendons, and ligaments. Citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers are excellent sources of vitamin C. Because water-soluble vitamins are easily excreted in our urine, it's important to replenish them regularly through a healthy diet. That's a wrap, med buddies! Vitamins and minerals are small but mighty. Be sure to remember their classification, functions, and deficiencies, They'll come up in university exams and clinical case studies. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar content, and comment below the next topic you'd like to tackle. Until next time, keep studying smart.